What's up, Buttercup?
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the channel.
It is another day.
If you don't know who we are, my name is Risa. This is my husband's friend, Frank.
My twin brother. His twin brother.
Shut up. This is my shit-ass husband, Sean.
No.
He's a little bitter right now. You know why he's mad at me? Let me tell you why he's mad at me. We just got back from Trail Hero, and we sat there at this RV park and watched these kids just rip it on these little electric bikes and their little electric scooters, and I thought, oh man, I want one, and I said it out loud. Between there and the drive home, they started popping up in my newsfeed for basically every format of social medias that I looked on. There was e-bikes. Well, this brand, I don't know, Aipas, I don't know how it even says.
Aipas.
It popped up with a buy one bike, get another bike free. I'm like, what? Say less. Say less.
I was like, you shouldn't even said that. I agree.
Like, so here they are.
We're gonna make the best of a good situation.
And I'm gonna make him build them for me, basically. Here we are.
So I looked up some specs on these bikes because naturally I'm skeptical and I'd rather buy a 50cc scooter and pop rev. But we got these e-bikes instead. So apparently it's a 1500 watt motor. The motor's in the rear, obviously. It's got a 48 watt battery with like 12.8 amp hours. Apparently they'll do like, I don't know, 29 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour. It's got 5 speeds. It's rated for up to 500 pound capacity. That's not neither one of us combined, so they should do just fine. So we're gonna see how they are. They're foldable, so they will collapse down onto themselves.
Not gonna lie, if there may be a lot of stuff in this box, I don't know, but this thing is heavy as shit.
Like so much for being lightweight. We just added 200 more pounds to the Jeep.
They fold in half, which clearly they're not folded in half in here. I think the front wheel is just off of it in here. And it's the back half of it. Some assembly may be required. We do have to do some assembling.
Yeah.
But they're supposed to fold in half. Yeah. This thing is too heavy for me to lift up and put in the back of the truck. But
oh, she got a guy though.
I have a guy.
She knows someone.
What we're gonna do is unbox these. Obviously, we have 2 of them.
Lucky me.
So, yeah, So, all right, well, here we go. We're gonna unbox these. Oh, by the way, I bought these. No one sent this to us. These were not free. This was not sponsored. I have no discount code for you. Nope. Go to their website. They're having their own thing.
Yeah, it's called buy one, get one. So they must be super high quality.
Go do your own research, buy at your own will. I'll do another review video later on and let you know, like maybe in a couple months of how they're still holding up.
We'll probably do a 6-month review or something.
We'll see.
It's kind of how we tend to do around here.
Yeah, we'll get to that. But just FYI, no one sponsored these.
I wish they would've.
This was out of his pocket, and he don't even
know. It still hurts. My wallet's burning, still got some sparks on it.
Hey, your wallet probably doesn't have your card in there, because I stole that. I stole that. All right. Time out while we get some...
We're gonna time lapse you up into this area.
The biggest nails out of here and the things cut open. And I'm gonna just try to show you us putting one together. Yeah. But clearly we're gonna do both of them at the same time. Okay. This wasn't hard for me at all, you guys.
Hell no, it wasn't. This guy did all the work. Honestly, it wasn't hard at all.
It really wasn't. Well, it was packed in there very well. Like it was zip tied and secured with extra packing and the foam and there's even some like hard foam board in there. That's pretty good packing, I have to say.
Yeah.
We do have the battery charging. He did take it out. I think you can charge it from inside.
Yeah, you can. It's got a somewhere over here's got a plug in.
Oh, yeah, it's got like a little porthole right here. But yeah, you can charge it from in here, but we went ahead so he could finish building it. I've got the battery over there charging. Oh, it comes with a little toolkit, look.
Oh, yeah, it did it?
Let's see what we got. It's got some little Allen wrenches.
Say, bro, if there's not a 10 millimeter in there, what's the point? Not that I need a 10 millimeter.
No.
But, no, it is cool they give you all the tools to assemble it.
I mean, it's got all kinds of, like, if you had to work on your stuff in a pinch.
Oh, yeah,
I mean, this wouldn't be like a bad little toolkit to carry around with you in case you needed to tighten a sprocket.
Yeah.
What are those called, these little things in the middle? Spokes.
Spokes, yeah.
Not a sprocket. I'm thinking a spark plug, in case you got to change the spark plugs, you know?
It's been a while since you had your little strawberry shortcake banana seat bike, Risa.
I, in fact, did have a strawberry shortcake banana seat with the sweet little
horns,
streamer tassels that came off the side, and a basket on the front with the little horn that beeped. So that was pretty sweet. But that was the last time I had a bicycle. This thing it's pretty big.
Well,
I'm a little nervous. It goes in this part.
Yeah.
And I gotta pick it up off the ground while. This is okay. There. Haha. I probably will never take that battery out again.
And you don't
Why is it? Ouch! I hit myself in the head with the steering wheel. Why is this so heavy? Now, close. Okay, magic close. No. No, no, no. Why? Okay, I think you're supposed to stay all the way in there until I close it like that. Yes. Okay. And then like that and like that.
Turn it off.
30 minutes later, you got a battery. And it took me longer to put the battery in than it took you to put the whole bike together.
Yeah. Here, bruh. Take this and tighten check all your bolts on your rack system.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay. I almost took off on me. I figured it out. This up button is a wood.
Easy nuts.
Okay. That may be
walk mode.
Maybe too much too soon. Okay, I'm nervous.
It should be.
I gotta go pee first because I don't want to pee myself before the paramedics get here.
So the speeds are your plus and minuses, yeah? So 0 is naturally you.
Like, yeah, because the pedal assist, that's a 0.
But when here's the thing though, when you click that to plus, when you're pedaling, it just takes off.
So what number should I start on?
0, because you're just going to have to play with it like I just did.
0. We're going with a 2. Ooh, whee! Okay. Ah! Ah! Okay, this may be
Let's see how it just goes.
Oh my God, I don't know if I can hold this camera and do it at the same time. This is imminent death. This is imminent death. Okay, we need some seat adjustments. I gotta get a camera mount or some sort.
Let's go this way.
Which way?
Come on.
This way. Oh, this is gonna be a little easier. Okay, so pedal, pedal, pedal. I'm on pedal assist 2. And he's leaving me. Let me go up to, woo! 3, we're booking. 3, we're booking. Woo, we're getting it. Okay, this may be a sketch. I love it. There's no cars coming. I'm not pedaling at all. I'm doing 18 miles an hour. Okay, this is pretty cool. Oh my God, I'm so scared. He's leaving me. He's left me. Meow. 32? Oh, here comes an actual guy on a motorcycle. Ah! Oh, he's way faster than I am. Show off. I'm only on a 3. What are you on? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna pull into the church. I don't think it's a church anymore. Oh, that's steep. Oh, that's steep. Oh, that's steep. Woo! Woo!
Good Lord.
Sorry.
You shouldn't just do that.
I'm driving with this thing in my hand. It's so hard.
You probably should put that
I'm
up.
gonna have to get a mount for this thing. I gotta put it down so I can actually drive. But I've been on a 3. I got up to 18. You were doing what?
I did 32.
Holy smokes.
Hey, you know me,
Oh,
I'm
did
wide
you
open.
turn it off the...
You
turned it off the thing, didn't you?
Yeah.
Your speed limit?
You
turned it off?
want
Did you turn
yours done?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't want to do it earlier, homie?
Yeah, I turned my speed limit.
Hold freaking...
Okay, let's
see. So apparently you hold...
Oh, I got a sticker in my finger.
Shut your dog. This one, and then you go to P8. And then up. So it's 20 or 62, so I don't know. The instructions was like 0 to 100, but no.
Well, maybe
and yours says...
I can do 100?
Yeah, does yours say kilometers or kilometers or
miles? It says miles.
Okay, so you're already set to miles.
It's miles.
Okay, you should be good.
Okay. Oh, I'm on. Woo! I feel like the takeoff is the scary part. Okay, we're on a 1. Let's get it up. We're on a 5. Let's go! Woo! 25 miles an hour, suckers! Ooh, that's scary. Ooh, that's scary. Okay. I'm gonna have to work up to that. Them kids were wilding up there. Oh, God. Ah! Also, one-handed, because I'm holding the camera. So, I'm just feral. I'm gonna go put the camera down, actually do some laps. If it's bumpy, I'm really sorry. Look at him pedaling up there. He's getting so much exercise. I feel like I can't even... Trying to pedal at 30 miles an hour is like trying to jump on a treadmill that's already doing on a level 12. This thing is so fun. I stinking love it. Woo! Okay, it definitely wants to take off on you at a level 5. Like a level 5, you don't even have to do anything. Like this is no pedaling, and I'm not even pulling the trigger to make it go. It's just going. It's just, going. Oh, you have to give it a couple pedals to get it to really kick in. Okay, I see what we're doing here. I see how it works. We're coming in too fast. We're coming in too fast. I'm coming in too fast.
Okay, guys.
All right, y'all.
We took her for a spin. Old Steed did pretty good.
I am in love. Okay, I mean, this is not a long-term review right here by any means, because we were just ripping up and down the street like 3 times. But short-term review, get a better seat. Unless you're used to riding bikes, and you may like this seat. I don't know.
My butt hurts already. And honestly, these are really comfy feeling, soft seats. They're pretty cool. Like, it's got 5 speeds on the little speedo dillet there, and then like you can shift gears for your pedals. I got up to 33, and that's when the speedo, it was 33.1, I think, is where the
You're
speedo
gonna get a ticket. The speed limit's 30 out
stops on the counter here, but I kept going because I was pedaling too.
Obviously, we did the thing where you take it out of the speed governor
before I left
thing.
the garage. Yeah.
Well, I had him do mine down the road. Y'all saw that. But this thing is fun. It's going to be a blast. I can't wait to get a basket on the back of this to strap Goose to the back. I'm going to get a bit of an upgraded seat. I need some water. And I think we could just zip it around. Honestly, it's just going to be fun. Some of the RV parks that we've stayed at are so big. I mean, they've just really big. If you've watched any of our videos, you've seen the RV park we stayed at in Galveston. Amazing RV park, but we were so far from the bathrooms, it was tough. And if we'd have had this thing, I'd have just hopped on it in the morning and zip right over there real quick.
Since we don't have a bathroom in the little camper, we do have to stay close to a bathroom, or out in the middle of nowhere,
but this
where
allows
we have our own bathroom.
Me to get there faster, and you know, to run up there to get a bag of ice or whatever. You know, it's just kind of fun. We'll see how much use we get out of them. I don't know. I love it already though. It's so much fun.
It's alright, I guess.
We didn't even let it charge the full time.
No.
I couldn't even stand it. It was probably on the
couldn't
charger
wait. I got impatient as usual.
maybe an hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. They were on the chargers, and then but they're full. It shows on the little odometer thing that they're full, and it's got I don't know. The funnest part. The funnest part.
How far did we go? How many miles did we ride already?
It has a horn.
1.8 miles we did, just tooling around.
Already done 1.8 miles on the bicycle. Didn't even feel like it. And some of that was pedaling, so it's actually, you know, you're getting exercise.
Yeah, you do. You can keep your legs moving the entire time, so yeah.
You're getting exercise. You're out, you're about. The wind's blowing in your hair. Probably can tell by the look on my hair. Sean looks like Yosemite Sam when that wind's hitting his. That beard parts in the center and blows over his shoulders.
It does.
It's kind of funny. You got to not laugh and fall off the bicycle when you see him.
Whatever, brah.
But yeah, no, join our gang. Get you an e-bike.
What?
Is that too much?
Yeah, that's too much.
No, for real. Join our gang. We're getting leather jackets with patches.
No, we're not. Listen, I may never even ride this thing again.
He will. Watch.
Gonna sit here and collect dust.
No, it ain't.
Yeah,
you gotta keep up.
Collect freaking dust.
Anyways, it's got headlights, brake lights, horns,
gears.
I mean,
the damn thing will do 30 miles an hour.
That's fast. That's fast.
It actually will do like 29 under its own power, but if you give it a couple pumps of that pedal, I hit 33 and then the speedo stopped going, but I know I had to hit 35.
It's got a pretty meaty tire on here too, so I'm thinking that
and shocks that are adjustable. I locked mine in so it didn't move while we were out.
I didn't touch mine. We just was a free spirit out there. We're on whatever it came in the box.
Yeah.
We don't care.
Pretty much.
Feel free to get you an e-bike and join the bike gang. We are a gang. We are not a club. We are a gang.
Yeah, I mean, look, for starting out in this little e-bike world, this isn't, I guess, a bad thing. For two of these, how much were they? Be honest.
It was $1,600. Listen, if you put it in your cart, I've learned this on their website. You go in there, you put it in your cart, and just leave it be for 24 hours. They're gonna send you an email for free shipping. This is what I did. I'm telling you, I put it in there because I wanted it. And I'm like, no, I'm not paying $38 shipping. I'll wait.
It's funny how the computers do that.
Take my advice.
Yeah.
Put all your email in, put your phone number in for all the stuff. Put whatever bikes you want. Put them in your cart.
Yeah.
Wait. When the email comes in, it's going to be for free shipping. So it literally it was $1,600.
Save you like $100.
It was like $40, but still, it was like $40.
$40 to ship these two heavy bikes?
Yeah, I guess.
Holy crap, that's cheap because I've shipped drive shafts that cost $80.
I tell you what, I'd have waited 3 days if it had saved me $25. I don't care. Shit's hard out here, so and to get two bikes and I saved $40 on shipping. So yeah, it was $16.88. There's no tax because there's not a place in Texas, I guess. We're in Texas, so I didn't pay any tax on it. I don't know where they they shipped from California. That's right, I remember. They shipped from California. So if you're in California, you're getting taxes. But no, there was no taxes on it, no shipping on it, and it was $1,688 for both bicycles, which I did not buy any of the baskets, no upgraded seats, nothing upgradable because you can get all that on Amazon for half the price. So so here we are. We hope you like our bikes. We love them. So we're gonna end it here.
Yeah.
We will see you back probably in a long-term review later on. Until then, you guys be sure to like, subscribe, share, let us know what you think.
Tell your mom and them.
We'll see you next time.
Peace.
Bye.